Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Today I have brought another topic related to human behavior, and this is very interesting aspect of humans' nature. So I thought I share it with you and see that if you agree with it or not. Basically, life is like a blank slate that is handed over to us. Consciously or unconsciously, we begin to fill this slate with our interests, goals, and choices about things and people, adding colors to represent our experiences. Sometimes we choose how we want to navigate our path. And once we have done this, we call it life. However, if someone very close to us erases everything from our state, we can turn into puppets, unsure of what is right or wrong, what colors represent our emotions, or even where we want to go. This often happens when someone we love feels like they have erased all the meaning we have ingrained in our lives. In this state, we can lose track of time and become oblivious to what's happening around us. Though we may act as we did when we first felt our state, our current experience feels different. We see things but can't seem to focus. We talk but struggle to truly comprehend what is being said. When someone who is important to us draws a different purpose for our lives, it can feel as though they are taking away the beautiful life we have carefully sketched on our slate. To protect ourselves from the fear of losing treasured state, we often hide our true feelings deep in our hearts. This helps us avoiding becoming puppets in the hands of those we have dedicated ourselves to in our pursuit of life's journey. Individuals whom we envision as part of our destination, we want to ensure that we maintain control over our own lives and the vibrant canvas we have created, rather than allowing someone else to dictate what it should look like. So I most of the time I come across many people who are going through such a situation, and I see them that when they turn into a puppet, and I see them that a time comes when they become their real self. So it means that when a person turns into a puppet due to another person's actions, so it is basically that person has been affected so badly, but he loves that person so much that he cannot, you can say, move on, or he cannot do anything about it. Only the acceptance feels, you can say, acceptable to that person. But when that person becomes to or reach to the situation of becoming a puppet, it is only when he says that, okay, I have no other, you can say, I have no other option, so I accept things as they are. So what I'm trying to say that we do not understand many things when we go through turmoil, when we go through such state, or when we do not realize that how we put our efforts to make our lives beautiful through our imagination, through our goals, through our dreams, through our dedications. But when we see that it is like this, that you make a very beautiful, you can say, a miniature house, and suddenly your child comes to a 3 years old, and he throws all the, you can say, blocks away, and you just feel, you can say, you don't feel anything because you accept it, that okay, this is my child and he has done this mistake, and I cannot, you can throw him out of the house, I cannot slap him on this. So, but for you can say momentary, so you can say, we feel, or you feel like a puppet at that time, because at that time you are going through a phase of both the rejection or an acceptance. That the clash of that rejection and acceptance is very, you can say, it is it creates a crater-like a position when an asteroids hit the earth. So it is like this, but few people can understand you can say this philosophy, because obviously most of the people do not have, I mean, they look at the life as they say that okay, this is the life. Sometimes we go through trouble, sometimes we have a good time, but basically if we try to understand all these matters through a philosophical or a psychological aspect, so we may find a solution for such kind of situations. Okay, thank you so much.